Welcome to Ascending DC channel. We are an AWS certified partner to provide cloud consulting and technical support to clients who are looking for cloud solutions to tackle the challenge in their day-to-day operations. This video is one of the many short videos we are producing. In each of them, we're going to demo and explain when used for AWS practice that can be used to improve the efficiency and accuracy of your work. All these tricks have been proved effective in our clients' success. If you are a project manager, DevOps, architect, software engineer, or just looking for useful cloud practice, this video is made for you. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. My name is Ria. Today, I'm with E to talk about how to use Ansible to implement AWS Golden Standard infrastructure as code as a part of DevOps automation effort. Ansible is an open source automation tool or platform used for IT tasks such as configuration management, application deployment, intra-service orchestration, and provisioning. It's very similar to Chef Puppet, which is a backup by RedHat. Ansible contains a number of modules for controlling Amazon Web Service. Unlike Chef, users don't have to configure server, client, work machine when they use Ansible. Ansible can be installed in local machine or Dropbox server, and they authenticated by either specify access secret as environment variable for module argument. Next, I will let E introduce how to use Ansible to automate the configuration process, and then compare Ansible with AWS CloudFormation.
Hello, everyone. Let's talk about some terms within Ansible. Ansible has provided a lot of official code library that can be directly used by developers, and they are called modules. For example, if we want to interact with AWS resources, we should use AWS-related modules. The second term is task. It stands for the unit of action in Ansible. Tasks can be executed independently or organized in sequence. Then how should we write down and repeatedly use the tasks? We can organize and save tasks in a YAML formatted file called playbook. We can also define variables in playbooks. Therefore, playbook is very similar as CloudFormation template because both of them follow the infrastructure as code process and can be reused. Next, we will have a quick demo to show how to create EC2 instances with Ansible. The first thing is to configure AWS credentials with Ansible. In this case, we will use the environment variable. Obviously, we can use much secure authentication strategy like IAM role. The second step is to find proper modules. For example, EC2 instance. Then we can define task based on documentation. We can put this task into playbook. And then we can run Ansible command line to execute it. After that, a new EC2 instance will be created. For example, here, we can run this command line to execute create EC2 instance playbook. And then, as you can see, a new test instance has been launched. We can also do exact same thing by AWS CloudFormation. Here is the comparison between AWS CloudFormation and Ansible playbook. These two files, they will do the same thing. So how should we decide to adopt Ansible or AWS CloudFormation? Here are some key features to wrap up. Ansible has a lot of extensible modules that can be used to build complicated solutions. Ansible uses SSH by default instead of requiring agents everywhere, avoiding extra open ports, improves security, and eliminates managing the management. As for CloudFormation, developers have no need to reinvent the wheel when they are using CloudFormation because it's part of AWS. CloudFormation can be used to automate infrastructure deployments. You can use CloudFormation to manage AWS resources as you like, but only limited to AWS. If you need to not only manage AWS resources, but also configure operation system level automation like EC2, we recommend to use CloudFormation to launch EC2 and use Ansible in the user data to automate the operation system level configuration. Thus, you can understand CloudFormation and Ansible are not side-by-side comparison, but we use them for different types of automation.
That is our content for today. We introduced Ansible and compared with CloudFormation. It helped us to understand that they are not side-by-side comparison. Instead, they can work together as a set of tools, not only automate AWS resources, but also automate OS level configuration. If you are not familiar with CloudFormation, please review other ascending videos for more detail. Thank you for today. Bye.
Please leave your comments, questions, critiques to us so we know you are watching. Again, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Ascending DC, and stay tuned for our next video. See you next week.